Okay, really quickly, what is the difference between content creators and influencers? A lot of people use those words interchangeably, but they're two different roles entirely. So hi, my name is Steven. I am a videographer. I'm a content creator, and I make videos for businesses, YouTubers, like all sorts of different people. And an influencer is just one of those types of people that I make videos for. Influencers are the people with the following and the engagement to influence someone. And my job is, in regards to influencers, is to make content for them so that they can engage with their audience, and so brands can use their audience to advertise, to market to. The basic definition is influencers have an audience typically more than like 100,000. I think that's what would be considered an influencer. Anything less than that, maybe like 1,000 plus, is like a micro influencer. And those are just people who have audiences, people who have the engagement and the power to influence their decision making. And within influencer, there are a whole bunch of like niches of influencers or different types of influencers, like Instagram influencers, like Instagram models who get sponsorship from clothing brands, or those are all people with audiences providing content, whether they make it or someone else makes it, to influence someone else's decisions. And being an influencer doesn't just mean that like they're only online to influence someone's decision. That can be like the main reason they're on the internet, why they have a presence, like review channels and stuff like that, where they're making content about different products and different services to help viewers make informed decisions about them. But that can also be like a side effect. Like one of my favorite influencers, I would say, is Kenny Beats. He's not like an influencer, you know? Like he's first and foremost a music producer, and that's his thing. That's why people follow him. That's his niche. But then like if he recommends a plugin or something, everyone's gonna go buy that plugin. So that's what being an influencer is, having influence over a certain audience. Now, let's talk about content creators, what I do mostly. Content creators are the people who make the stuff that the influencers post to their platforms. And some of my clients are people with influence who hire me to make the content for them because they don't have the time or the ability. And I've actually made several videos about what my role is specifically, so you can check those out in the channel below. Content creators come in several different forms. So like you'll find content creators who, like me, have their own business, and then some of their clients are influencers, but then you'll also have people who, like influencers, who hire social media assistants to take pictures of them. Those are the content creators. So like D-Rock to Gary Vee, that's Gary Vee's content creator. He's the one following him around with the camera all day, taking the influencer's life and then making content out of it that the audience wants to engage with. So yeah, content creator, they make the stuff. Influencers, they post the stuff. But those aren't like mutually exclusive. Some people do both. Now, I'm a content creator and I have social media platforms. They're just not huge. So like I wouldn't call myself an influencer or anything. I make all my own content. I record all these videos myself, I edit them by myself, and then I make micro content from these videos, put them on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook all by myself. And lots of people do that. Some of my favorite people, and I guess the business and filmmaking and photography side of YouTube, like Peter McKinnon, he does have like assistants and people to help him run his social media profile and his business, but you know, like for the most part, he's the one recording his own YouTube videos, putting thought into how his own audience is gonna react to the content that he's making. He's the one taking all the photos. So Peter McKinnon is both. He is an influencer and a content creator. Now that makes sense for him. His target audience is content creators. It would almost be hypocritical if he didn't have any role in making his own content. But it doesn't make sense for everyone. I think of like every other niche that doesn't revolve around cameras is gonna require someone with some level of knowledge of cameras, and that might be something that needs to be outsourced to an assistant or myself. I want to hear from you guys below. Let me know what you are. Are you a content creator? Are you an influencer or even a micro influencer? Are you both? Thanks for watching this video. If you're not done here, if you want to find out more about content creation, I made a whole video about that right here. I go really in depth about my process with me, working with me from the initial consultation all the way to the final product delivery. I'm trying to post this YouTube channel at least twice a week, so be on the lookout for the next video coming out really soon. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.